Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with FedEx at 2026. So you will need to use the Shopify's built-in FedEx integration, and that means career accounts. So if you want FedEx rates at checkout and to print FedEx labels from Shopify, you will need to have some requirement. Okay, so your Shopify plan must support third-party career calculated shipping plus or advanced or grow with the add-on, and you need a FedEx account with your own negotiated rates. So how to connect FedEx to Shopify? You will need at first to log into your Shopify admin. Okay, so that's page, and after that you will need to go with the settings. That's option. After that you will need just to go with an option. It says shipping and delivery. So that's the option on the left hand menu. So right here, as I said, you will need to scroll down until you can see that option, enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. So you will need to upgrade your plan first. Okay, so if you already have that specific plan, you can then choose FedEx and enter your FedEx account details, like the FedEx account number and credentials, and save the connection. And once connected, Shopify will display real-time FedEx rates at checkout, let you purchase FedEx shipping labels directly in your admin if your fulfillment origin is in a supported region such as the US. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.